The other day I learned something about my VW that I never knew before. So if you have a sunroof and you have your sunroof dial here, all these notches are for popping the hatch up. I'll show you real quick. So that's going to be all the way up. And then you can go a couple notches down, all the way closed. And now we'll close this again just to show you. So I always thought I was opening my sunroof all the way, just going like that. And this is what you get. And I'll show you from outside the car, where you still have that glass sticking out. So you come back in here and you have your knob, and if you turn it all the way to this symbol and hold it, then it'll go back all the way. So now you don't have that glass sticking out and it's completely open. Much better. So the knob goes back to here, and then just to close it, and that'll bring your sunshade back forward to where you can grab that. But then when you go like that, it doesn't open all the way. I'll try to show you with the knob in the picture too. So you hold it like this. Sunroof all the way open now. So that's a little trick you might not know if you just get in your car and constantly think that's opening your sunroof. You have to give it that extra little turn and hold it to open it all the way.